Jess from Sallie Tomato. Welcome to day 27 of our 30-day Learn to Sew challenge. Today we're featuring part 3 of our Rebecca storage bag tutorial. So by now your pockets should already be attached to your main panels, and we're going to get started on the hang tab. So let's dive into the tutorial. Start by marking in from each edge of contrast piece C hang tab to mark the placement for the corners of the magnetic snaps. Also mark away from each top corner according to the pattern. You can find all the measurements in your pattern. Then you're going to draw a diagonal line between adjacent corner marks. After that, you'll cut along each diagonal line. Then, with wrong sides together, fold the top and side edges about 3/8 inch to the wrong side. Add some sewing clips to hold the folds in place. Then top stitch an 1/8 inch from the top and side raw edges. Position your snaps so that way the attracting sides are face up and the positive halves of the magnetic snaps are at the top corner marks, and the negative halves of the magnetic snaps are at the bottom corner marks. Set aside 3 halves of the magnetic snaps, and we're going to start by stitching one down. Using a zipper foot or narrow foot, top stitch about an 1/8 inch from the magnet. Then you're also going to top stitch an 1/8 inch from the outer edges of each snap. Next, with right sides together, center the raw edge of the hang tab along the top edge of one main panel. Use some sewing clips to hold in place. Then top stitch a 1/4 inch from the raw edges. So we're going to stop here because tomorrow we're going to tackle the final assembly of the bag. I'm super proud of you for sticking with this series and following along each day. I hope you're enjoying the challenge and feel super accomplished from what we've done so far. I'd love to hear your feedback, what you think of the series, so please leave a comment below. Thanks so much for stitching with me today, and I'll see you tomorrow.